In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add someone on ClickUp step by step. This is perfect if you're working with a team, inviting a client, or adding a new member to your workspace so they can collaborate with you. We'll go through the entire process so you don't miss anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, make sure you're inside the correct workspace where you want to invite the person. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on your account workspace menu. This will open a drop-down with different workspace and account options. From this menu, click on People. This is where ClickUp manages all users, members, and guests for your workspace. Now, you'll see an option to invite new people. In the email field, type in the email address of the person you want to add to ClickUp. Double check the email to make sure it's correct so the invite doesn't get lost. After entering the email, click on Invite People. ClickUp will then prepare the invitation based on your workspace settings. Finally, click on Send Invite. Once you do this, ClickUp will send an invitation email to the person you added. They'll be able to accept the invite and join your workspace right away. And that's it. You've successfully added someone on ClickUp in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.